Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Hulk from Marvel Rivals. So let's get in there at the top. We're going to go probably about this point here. Let's just mark that with a little dot. Okay, that's going to be the top of the head area. We're going to come out here with the head, come out here with a sort of the upper body, arms, and then come in, just draw the upper part of the legs in here. Sort of like a big old Hulk that we know. So we've got that dot in at the top there. Let's just draw a little line across sort of the top here, sort of around sort of there, like that. We've just got like that top area of the head. Then we've got like some like chunky hair going around the side. So just bring your pen out a little bit, kind of waves up sort of this way and out and around, sort of like a chunky sort of crop on there. A little bit of a wave at the bottom here, right? And then it kind of comes around, sort of swoops up there. It's just got this nice chunky crop. And then he's got a sort of shaved hair at the sides there. So let's pop that in, kind of like work out the outline first of all. So we're gonna kind of come down here, sort of draw from maybe about that point, just down like that. Then we're going to come down to about this point here from here. So just come in a little bit where the hair comes out and just bring your pen in just like that, okay? Next up, we've got the ears area. So we've just got an ear coming out this side. Just sort of bring your pen out a little bit that side, okay? And on this side, we've got the same thing. So it's got a little ear popping out around the side there, okay? I'm going to just draw like the neck area in now, like his lower sort of chin is all sort of hidden with his body. It's like so wide. So I'm going to come down sort of this way now from the bottom part of the ear. Just bring your pen down like that. And on this side, probably about here, just bring your pen down like that, okay? So we've got this sort of wide neck area coming out. Let's now look at sort of bringing in sort of the like the outer outline and upper body of Hulk. So I'm going to bring my pen in here. I'm just going to sort of come around sort of this way. Just draw that like upper neck area in like that, just sort of come in like there. And on this side, I'm going to bring my pen, probably come down to about here. Just grab my pen like that, bring it down like that there, okay? Sort of big old chunky sort of upper sort of shoulder neck area there. Then we've got these massive sort of boulder shoulders. Going to sort of come down sort of this way. So from that point there, probably down to around about here, we're going to bring the pen out like this, bring it right out and then curve in like so. And on this side, sort of like even it out, probably going to come down to about here. Looks really far, but if we go from sort of this point here and just get the pen and sort of bring the pen right out downwards like that. So we've got that big old sort of shoulder area going on there. Okay, next up we're going to sort of have the sort of tricep area and the bicep area here. Sort of like widens out a little bit here, just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to bring my pen out, just a little bounce like there. And on here, I'm just going to bring my pen sort of really just sort of curve it around there where the tricep area is. Now I'm going to work out sort of those arms and I'm going to come right down sort of this area here. This one sort of coming out here, sort of holding sort of his fist a little bit there. This one comes down a little bit further. So I've got the upper arm area here. I'm going to come out this way and down, probably it's about that point. So just grab your pen, bring it out and down like that. And then here I'm going to draw a big old thumb. So it probably comes up from here. I'm going to bring my pen out, nice like oval, down like that, around, back up, and then just sort of join it up there. Then we can continue sort of the hands and the fingers. So the sort of clenched fist is here. So we're going to come sort of from this point, just bring your pen out, downwards where there's a knuckle, and then we'll have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and in like that. That's like the main part of the hand. Then I'm going to come up to where the torso area will be. It's a bit of a wrist area here, sort of comes out and around in there. Then it probably just joins up the torso. I guess it's going to be around here. So we're just going to bring the pen around like that and up. Let's just fill that torso in so we understand what's going on here. Kind of like the underarm part is probably about sort of here. So I'm just gonna sort of put a little dot in there. Okay, sort of that far out from the bicep. Nice little sort of light curve coming down here, sort of the back area of the muscle. Then we've got like the upper torso area, and that's just gonna come down, go into that curve line here, down a little bit further like that. We've got that outline going on really well. Okay, next up, let's go up to this point. Let's draw around in this hand round here. So what I'm going to do is probably come down to about this point here. This part of the arm sort of comes out the upper part of the forearm. So So it'll come out nice and chunky, nice sort of line down to where the wrist area is, about there. We're then going to come sort of down this way and around like this. So grab your pen, just going to draw that sort of wrist area in, and a little bounce there where the fingers will be, curve it around like that. And the other finger, I guess, is sort of around, say like here. So we're just going to bring the pen around like that, give it a little wobble into that point there. Then we can draw the thumb in, so I guess we come out sort of from, I guess, like this point. So just come down here, nice curve for the thumb, and inwards like that for the big thumb area. Bring it in a bit there. Then we can do that sort of outer, the inner part of the forearm here. So we're just going to take our pen, just come out, real big piece of muscle, and inwards like that, okay? And that's like almost going up into that arm area there. It kind of comes up sort of this way. And I can draw that like back area in here now. So probably from this little point here that we've drawn, just sort of bring your pen sort of down, curve it down. So nice little curve down like that. Then a little bit of torso sort of coming down. I guess it comes down sort of this way, keeping in with the outline. Okay, so now we can see the outline of Hulk starting. He's got a belt in the middle here, so let's just pop this belt in. It's like a big old chunky sort of buckle on it, and there's actually like here, there's sort of just sort of rectangles going on, just sort of off kilter, sort of at an angle, rectangles like that. Okay, now I've got that on there, I can just draw a nice line across like that, and then we sort of just come out a little bit either side of that, like this. Then we're going to come inward, sort of taper in, 1, 2 like that, and then just draw a nice line, join it up there. Now I can draw the rest of the belt going on, and what he's got is like got a bit of trousers, sort of those sort of classic purple trousers going over that. So just a little curve here, a few little raggedy edges there. Same goes on this way, so sort of come out, sort of get sort of from this sort of point, just grab your pen, just wobble the pen down to the edge there. And then we're just going to draw some little little raggedy bits going on around there, and then so sort of got that sort of tattered look with the trousers. Now I've got the rest of the belt, so I'm just going to do that in sort of blocks, I suppose. They kind of come out a little bit, sort of taper out a little bit from the inner here, sort of out and up, almost like a bit of an arrowhead. Do that on the other side too, out and up. And then we're going to sort of just bring our pen in and up, bring our pen out and up again. And then one more time, sort of bring the pen out a bit further, right out here, come out and then in, sort of big old chunky belt. This side sort of comes out and in a tad. Then we're just going to show one little bit more. So just come right out here, nice chunky bit and in, big old chunky belt, yeah? Now I'm just going to show like the top area of the trousers. So let's go from sort of, I guess like this point here. Just get your pen, just bring it down a little bit, and I'll just sort of stagger it a couple of dots there, sort of showing it stops. This side, probably coming in here, let's go down to about there, grab the pen, sort of here, just nice little curve out, and then sort of stagger it down. Just a couple of lines makes all the difference there. Center part of the legs, probably about sort of that point there, just pop a dot there. Just a little sort of couple of lines there, and we'll just sort of show those upper legs. Just sort of bring your pen down, wobble it in a bit there, no problem. All right, so we've got the outer part of the legs, the outer part of the body, you've got the outline going on now. Let's just sort of populate it with a little bit of detail, just make it a little more like Hulk. Let's get his face done. So I've got like the chin coming in here. I guess the chin area sort of comes out from this point. So what I'm gonna do is just grab my pen here, bring the pen down, big old chunky chin on Hulk, and back up like that, and just up, so big old chin on him. I guess the nose must be about this point. Let's just put a little dot there, yeah. And then what I'll do is just sort of draw in either side a little nose going on, a couple of little bits there just for the bridge of the nose. Big old grumpy mouth, so the mouth I guess comes from about this point, just up and down and around. A little bit of a lip underneath that. A little bit sort of a chin style there, and he's got like a real angry little bit in the middle here, so a little sort of just like a U that goes on there. And from that U, I'm going to bring my pen down, come up, sort of real angry brows and down. And then this side, same sort of thing, so real angry brows. Bring your pen down and up and around. And then what I'm going to do is just sort of draw in sort of two little sort of angry eyes. So just a couple of little ovals in there like that. And I'm just going to colour in around that with the black pen just to show like he's more kind of angry. A little bit of a cheekbone, just a bit there, like little cheekbones. Maybe a little bit of detail, just sort of showing his sort of chin area there. Maybe just a little bit in the ear area, and maybe just a couple more little creases. Show he's really angry. Maybe that's coming out from the nose a little bit, just show that anger on his face there. Maybe we're gonna have a couple of little lines in like that. Just for the hair area, what I'm gonna do is sort of just draw a couple of little sort of bits of a texture of the hair, and then probably this little bit, just colour in. It's got predominantly black hair, so just maybe a little bit of sort of shading going on there, sort of makes it look more Hulk-like there, right? Great, okay, we've got that bit in now. Just gonna come down here, just like that, just a little line down from the neck, kind of show that off, maybe just a tad of a little line there. And this sort of tapers down, so almost like a little sort of V, sort of going down this way, just a couple of little lines makes all the difference. Big old boulder shoulders there, maybe just a few little sort of stress lines, so just sort of a couple of little lines in there, maybe one there, sort of along this line as well, just sort of give it that sort of look like it's really sort of powerful. The pecs are here, so let's go in sort of, I guess around this point, just come in sort of about here, do the left side like that, and the right side we can just come in, sort of just bring it up like that way. A little bit sort of here, we'll just draw a little line in there, just a little bit of emphasis on like the muscle. I guess there's a couple of more little bits coming out, sort of stress those sort of bits coming out there. And then it would be really nice sort of to draw those main pecs in. They're sort of a major part of Hulk. So they're going to come in around here. So probably from about this point, get your pen in there and just curve it up like that. And on this side, we're going to go sort of from this, I guess it's sort of this point here. Bring your pen in around, just like real sort of chunky pecs going on there. And then now we've got that bit, I can sort of draw another like curve there. Maybe that comes down a little bit for the shoulder. On this side, we've got the same sort of thing, nice little curve there. Big old bicep here, so just a couple of little curves like that. And then let's continue this hand here. So there's a little bit of a nail going on there. Then we've got the rest of the hand here. So kind of like from here, we've got a clenched fist. We've got that little finger going on there. Then another little curve and around here for the next finger. And the next one here, just by the thumb, around like that. And the other one's kind of hidden, right? Just a couple of little curves where the palm would be, like that. And then maybe we just want to sort of draw in a couple of little lines, so just sort of stress lines again, sort of showing off like his physique. Let's go over to this side. Let's draw that this muscle in here, like the bicep here. So I guess it sort of comes down, sort of culminates about this point, a little dot, and we'll just sort of bring our pen up there, bring our pen up around here. I guess it kind of comes around like that, sort of meets up there, sort of just showing those big biceps. A few little sort of rippling muscle bits here, just sort of showing the stress again. And then maybe there's just a little bit around sort of the fingers, maybe just sort of show another little one there as well. And I think that's all we really need to do with that. Let's just do the abs areas. So going up to about here, let's put a dot sort of this point, just sort of draw a couple of little curves, 1, 2, maybe a little line down, maybe like a couple of other little lines there, little line there, sort of little ab areas coming out from around this point. So sort of a line here, a line area there. And then we've got these sort of additional little muscles here. So just going to do some little curves here going on sort of around this point too, like that. Just a couple of little sort of curves to the rib cage, things like that. Okay. Now as we get to sort of this part on the belt, this part is sort of filled in a little bit. So I'm just gonna sort of pipe this area around here, just sort of fill that in, make it a little bit more interesting. I think that's all I need to do there. And then with the trousers, sort of like a little line sort of here, just a bit of detail, a few little sort of stress lines around here, maybe like a nice little sort of line here, sort of ties in with these little lines we've done up here. Maybe then, once I've done that, just a few little curves, like a few little bits of detail. So let's sort of maybe just add in a few nice little lines there. Maybe we'll just fill that area in so we've got a little bit of sort of darkness going on here. Maybe this point, like in the upper back is a little bit clear, like darker. A few little sort of curved, like hatching lines in there. Doesn't hurt to put a few of those in, so it gives it that sort of comic look. Just a few curves around sort of these areas here, maybe just by the chest area. Maybe in here, that's quite good to put a little bit in there. And sort of down here is quite dark, isn't it, as well? So let's just fill in a little bit around there. Then we can just sort of draw in a couple of little lines there. Maybe a couple more just up here. Don't have to go do too much. Maybe you should just put a couple of lines there so it's like darker in the torso area there. And then I think really, well, maybe there's just a little bit going on here on the chin, like that. And then the trouser area, let's just sort of fill in a little bit of a line in here, and then we can just sort of put a bit of hatching in, sort of coming out that way. Maybe it sort of comes out here, just a few little stress lines as well. It just adds a little bit more to our character now. Maybe I'll just sort of continue down this way a little bit there. And then what I might do is just kind of just block out that sort of outline that we did initially. So just fill it in a bit firmer. Just make him all the more kind of powerful. Maybe just leave that hair area. It sort of makes him just look all that more sort of chunky. Little big old Hulk from Rivals game, looking pretty good. Yeah, that's it. Just gives it a little bit more emphasis around there, and I think that's quite nice. Add a few more little lines in if you feel like your picture needs it. Again, you don't really need to sort of pop those in, but it's sort of a nice to have if you want to do that. And I think that's pretty much, maybe just a few little sort of stress lines here going on, sort of line in there, maybe just a bit more on the torso area, like that, sort of showcase those muscles. But apart from that, I think that's cool. There you go. That is Hulk from Marvel Rivals. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who to draw next. If we want to do some more Rivals pictures, let me know and I'll do them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.